The Daily Bdx.
Hi.
Hi! You package. Right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What could be inside? I have an idea. Where's a cutter messer? The cutter knife. The cutter. Oh, it's Leica Q2. Do I look fat with this hoodie? Now the camera is charged and it's time for the first field test. Fuck. Here we are and let's go. Anna is usually our marketing and advancing manager, but occasionally I take her as our model. No, she's actually a very good model. Okay, let's do some shots. Okay, so first hands on is actually pretty nice. Let's try now some film action. Sieht überall voll scheiße aus hier. It's a shot in front of our nice office building. It's a World Trade Stumpf Center. So we played enough with our new toy, and now it's time to go back to the work.
Which one is the toy?
Fuck you! This is sexual harassment! Get the fuck out of this property!